Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be planting corn. So this is where we're going to be planting it. Yeah, just like I told you last video. So guys, this is the corn that we're going to be planting. Vision MXR. It's the sweetest corn. Okay guys, this is going to be a short video. We want to get it done before it starts raining. Womp womp. Okay guys, so my dad already laid all of it out. We're going to be doing 5 rows. We fertilized it. These are the seeds. And the last one right there. Okay, that's 1 row. Oh no, the people fell. Nice recovery. Amen. Okay guys, try to find me in this picture. Just waking it up, putting the dough over the corn. Making sure the corn gets covered like a good little farmer. Well, gardener. Okay, I got the mesh. Now how do I get out of it? Okay, cut that out. And, okay. A+. Okay guys, we're putting mesh over it so birds and squirrels can't get to it because they both love corn. Triangle. Put triangle on. plus. Okay guys, we got the mushroom all sealed up, and no punny squirrels or birds can get to our precious corn. Okay guys, so we planted all the squirrels. Okay guys, so we did all this, we got the corn planted. So now, this is where we're going to close up. Hey, did you guys like the video? Because it was this easy to plant corn. So, we're not doubters. So, I bet you can do this. I'm 7. If I can do it, then you can do it. If I can do it and you can do it, anyone can do it. Never be a doubter. Make sure to tell all of your friends about me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.